Dude, you must have seen a lot of videos like this.
We will learn how to make thumbnails for free for YouTube and Reels, and that too using AI. For example, if I want to create a thumbnail for tech tips and tricks, I will tell ChatGPT, I am doing these kinds of things in my video.
In this video, I'm going to explain how to translate your videos. For example, my video is in Hindi and I want to convert it into English. So you simply need to go to Chrome. After opening Chrome, you have to search for Gen, and after searching this, you'll see an interface like this. Look guys, here you'll find several types of options. As you probably know, this is currently trending, like the baby podcast, where they made a baby cartoon of Modi ji and converted it. This is how it's done. And guys, I'm going to tell you how to translate a video. So you'll see displayed here. You have to click here and then click here again. After clicking here, a file will open for you. By your file, I mean the video you want to translate from here. So for example, I want to do it for this video and I've submitted it here. Then you have to click on create new translate, and here you can select which language you are targeting. For example, I'll choose English. Alright, English, and your video